Hey guys, Honor are all set to launch new flagship smartphone Honor Magic 6 series, and this is the first look Honor Magic 6 and 6 Pro. There is a possible that it's maybe debut in second week of January 2024. Honor Magic 6 Pro come with very high quality 6.78-inch 2K resolution 120Hz OLED curved screen. Honor Magic 6 Pro also come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and out of the box the phone running Android 14. The phone also come one C1RF enhancement chip, and in the camera department the phone come with triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor which is OB50HK with variable aperture and 50 megapixel ultra wide, and the phone come with 160 megapixel periscope zoom lens, and the phone is also come with dual camera setup. The phone powered by 5000 mAh battery with 100 watt wire charging and 50 watt wireless charging supported. The phone also come with IP68 rating, stereo speaker, under display fingerprint scanner, 3D face recognition, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7 and NFC. So I am very much concerned about Honor Magic 6 Pro, and let me know in the comment section your thought and today video about that. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.